Hey everyone, you know, today we got a special day. We got another day from Zounds. Here we are. We're gonna go and keep the studio growing. We got a lot of development. We've been trial and errors with everything that we're doing with production. I appreciate everyone staying tuned. Here in a little while in the future, we'll be doing giveaways and little stuff, so stay tuned, like, share, you already know. But let's get to the unboxing. I'm excited for this. This right here, we got a couple things that we done picked up. We picked up a Focusrite, we picked up the electric guitar, acoustic, and electric guitar by Ibanez, so we can rock out. So I'm pretty excited. So let's go ahead and let's get this going. Ooh. Let's get it. Oh, hold on. What do we got here? We got the Ibanez acoustic guitar. Let's see what we got. Ooh, by Ibanez. It's light, it's not even that heavy. It's a beauty, it's a beauty. Let's just set that right there for right now. All right, what else we got here? I'm pretty sure this got a little weight to it. This is the Focusrite. So we're gonna put this to the side right here. Oh, yep, it's the Focusrite, yep. So that's gonna do all of our sound quality, our audio interface, everything, because I was getting a lot of high frequency and for some odd reason I was able to dial it in with Serato, but everything else wasn't really working too well. So I'm hoping with the Focusrite, which I got, oh, and there's another thing, a special shout out to my boy Trap. So he's out there doing the big out there in Europe, check him out. You know, he's doing his thing in the music. He was like, yep, get a Focusrite for sure. I was like, let's run it. And my people from Germany, you know, we had to keep it good, so I kept it German. So we went with the Sennheiser. So we're gonna do our vocals with some good quality German engineering. They said it's built to last. We're gonna see. I already know my Germans can build some good cars. I hope they do the same thing with the microphones. So let's get it. All right. Let's see what we got in the other one. Throw it that way. All right. Where should I go with this one? What do we got here? This one should be the electric guitar. Well, they're both electric, but this one right here is the Ibanez GRX70. I got it to match with the drums, but ooh. It's like shopping for guns, but instruments are a lot cooler. Nobody, you know, gets hurt. And, you know, universal language, you know, music is that key. So this is Ibanez. So we're gonna bust out, since I already got this one in my hand, we're gonna bust out and go left to right from here. All right, real quick, boom. Take that out. Actually, you know what? We'll just toss that. We'll just toss it that way. We don't need that no more. All right, this one right here. It's a beauty. Let's see. I'm excited. Pictures never does justice in reality. Let's see. Ooh, dun, 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 dun. Oh. Ibanez. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Ibanez. It's all right. Ooh, let's see. Nicely packaged all around. Ooh. And here you go, my peoples. Aha. Let's get it. No more cover time. It's a reality now. Ooh, these are the strings, so we're gonna have to run these like this. Take that out. real delicate like that. Just put it there. And where we are. Here we are. Look at that beauty. Ibanez did it again. Look cute. Oh, nice one. Thank you so much. This is awesome. It even's got nice tones with it, nothing plugged in. Alright, so we're gonna put this one for right now. Just set that right there. I got a stand on the way. I got some other accessories for it as well on the way. I'll keep y'all posted on what happens with that. Let's just put that right there for right now. And then turn that so no one gets hurt and steps on it. I feel like we should just put this on the table. All right, hold on. Let's put this right here. All right, now here we go with the acoustic. It was a special request for one of my buddies out there. Special shout out to Flip Mode. You already know what's going on out there. We out here showing, doing the thing, playing the music game, and at the same time learning, growing, and this is how it does, you know. You never stop. You stay in motion. That's the biggest thing. So what do you do now? This one, we went off of the Desperado theme. I don't know if you know Antonio Banderas, but a special shout out to Antonio Banderas. There you go. If you're watching this, we went off for you. And this one's off the Desperado movie. If you ever seen it, check that out. It's an awesome movie. Old throwback. But here we go. Another Ibanez. Yeah. Beautifully packaged as well. Beautifully packaged. And ooh, we had to hit it with the gold theme because, you know, we got the gold table. We got gold everything. We got to do a little bit of gold. And let's get it. Time for the flap. Ooh. Look at that glossy finish with the, ooh, wow. Yes, look, digital tuner and everything, look at that. This one is the Ibanez, let me see exactly which one, so I can say it correct. The AEG50N, AEG50N. And that boy right there. We got some work to do, but yeah, definitely. So I also check out Rocks. I heard that there was a game called Rocksmith. There's a lot of tutorials on everything. You can keep on learning, you keep on growing, keep that motivation, that spirit. Appreciate everybody staying tuned. Stay with the journey, stay alert, stay alive. That's what I learned. Keep in motion. Let's get it.